Hi, my name is Johan. I've just finished 2 weeks at Arkana Spiritual Center in Sacred Valley in Peru, and I've participated in 6 ayahuasca ceremonies, and also I've been doing working with other medicines and other plant medicines basically, but mainly ayahuasca. And this is my testimonial and what I would like to share with everyone watching this. What happened to me, what I went through with the medicine and during my weeks here at Arkana. First of all, ayahuasca is a profound medicine. It's a profound spiritual medicine that changes the very fabric and structure of what you are and who you are. It gives you profound insights into the nature of who you are and into the nature of reality. That can at times be really frightening and really scary. And therefore the surrounding situation around you when you go through this process is really important. And that is one thing that I found to be a really good thing about the Arkana Spiritual Center, that all the shamans, all the staff, all the facilitators make a tremendous job in keeping you safe, keeping you comfortable when you go through these really, really tight and really, really harsh passages when you release baggage and things that you've gathered in your life. I would like to share with you what I went through during one ceremony, actually the first ceremony that I had with ayahuasca when I came here, which in one way was maybe the most profound insight that I had during the last retreat, during the entire retreat, because all the other consecutive sessions of working with the medicine referred back to this first experience that I had. So my family has suffered from a transgenerational trauma with a suicide that happened 40 years ago, when my grandpa passed away in suicide, which tore my family apart, and my family never really regenerated or recouped from that experience. I never got the chance to meet my grandpa. He died 10 years before I was born. But ayahuasca showed me that even though I never met my grandpa, this experience or this trauma was programmed into me, into the very fabric of who I am, and I've carried it with me my entire life. So during the first session, I experienced many things, but this profound insight that ayahuasca showed me, she gave me a vision of my grandpa hanging lifeless by a rope in his neck, in a beam in the roof, completely lifeless. And I didn't really feel scared, even though it was really bizarre and really weird seeing my grandpa hanging there in a snare, completely lifeless. But even though I saw this, it came to me and I saw this, the inner me, the inner self, bowed down in front of him, closed my hands in front of my heart and started praying to him and thanking him and sending him love. What happened then was that my innermost spiritual heart opened up, and a profound energetic release was released from my heart, and I experienced a deep joy and a deep love and a deep satisfaction, which at the time was really confusing. Then ayahuasca said to me that, "Do you know that it's you hanging up there?" And I didn't really understand why she said that. She said again, "You know that it's you hanging up there?" And I asked her, why am I hanging up there, like, completely lifeless? That's my grandpa. She said, "No, that's you. Because, you know, if your grandpa hadn't hung himself, your mom and your dad wouldn't have met and you wouldn't be here. The only reason why you're here on this planet, in this life, in this form, is because he died. And your parents could meet, and then you came to life." And when she said that, when she showed me this, it was a complete shift inside me And from this experience, I got a deep sense of transformation within myself and who I am as a person and why I'm here on this planet. And ayahuasca went on to show me that the entire existence, the entire nature works like this. That everything grows out of destruction, death, and demise. And that is the only chance for regeneration, creativity, light, laughter, happiness, and love to grow. So the entire nature, the entire existence goes in cycles. She showed me that the entire nature goes in cycles of death, deconstruction, and reconstruction. And we are all a part of this constant flow, this constant cycle of life that happens in nature. So not only after I came out of this first session, many other things happened in the first session as well. But when I came out of this, it was as if something had been released from me. After I was shown this, my body started to feel really, really sick, and I started to purge. In my process, I have understood that I do not vomit, I do not shit myself. You can purge in many different ways. I start to form saliva in my mouth, and I start to spit huge amounts of saliva. And I asked ayahuasca, what am I spitting out? What's coming out of me when I feel this sick? And the only thing that came up in my mind was my grandpa. My grandpa was leaving my system as I was spitting in the bucket, purging this trauma out of my physical body. After this, I felt really, really happy, really, really light, and I could see myself in another light. Why I'm here, why I have come to be who I am, but I'm not weighed down by my past anymore. And this experience was one out of many experiences here at Arkana Spiritual Center that really released me, and it really got me to the point where I can feel that I am who I am without having to carry the past of my ancestors. And this was a really big release for me. So if you feel that you want to come here with trauma, with depression, with feelings of being lost, feelings of not knowing who you are, not knowing what you're doing here, ayahuasca can show you this. Ayahuasca can help you show who and what you really are, as long as you, in the heart of your innermost heart, ask for it. She knows what's in your heart, and she can help you understand and remember again who you really are. So if you want to come here and work with these amazing people, the amazing shamans from the Shipibo tribe in the Amazon, and with all the amazing facilitators and the amazing staff here at the Arkana Spiritual Center, you're gonna get what you need.